welcome back to my channel. My name is Cecilia. If you're new here, I do travel vlogs. I also do things that are on my bucket list, and I show you life in Germany. So today I want to share with you 10 different foods I never thought I could eat when I first came here, but with time I've come to love. So the very first thing I never thought I would ever eat was a potato salad. In German, Kartoffelsalat. And the reason why I never thought I would eat it is how it looked. I never thought I would see potatoes swimming in sauce like that and love it. Oh my god, guys, I've come to love potato salad so much. I think I eat it every second or third day. And I've also done a lot of recipes on my channel if you guys follow my channel, and I've come to love a potato salad. And if you've eaten a potato salad in Germany, you know there's a big difference if you go to other countries, and it is really good. Another thing I never thought I would try is beer. I never drank beer in Kenya. I did not like it at all. So I used to have any other drink apart from beer. And then I came to Germany, and you realize that the German culture has beer in it, and everybody's drinking beer. It doesn't matter if it's a young girl, of course over 18, or an older woman, or it doesn't matter. People love beer in Germany, and beer in Germany is good, especially in summer. It is cool and cold, and there are a lot of other different types of beer you can always try. And I came to love beer. So when I go to Kenya, I still do not drink beer, but somehow in Germany, I love beer. It's very weird. I cannot even explain it. As long as you're talking about alcohol, let us talk about Glühwein. Guys, I never thought I would drink wine that has been warmed up, like warm wine, until I tasted Glühwein. Guys, it is so good, and people love it in Germany, especially when it's winter or during Christmas. You will always get Glühwein. You can also buy a bottle of Glühwein from the supermarket and warm it up. It doesn't taste as good as the one at the Christmas market, but it is also okay. Glühwein is not really German. It originated with the Romans, and they used to warm leftover wine and add some Christmas spices into it. So it has become a tradition in Germany during Christmas and winter that most people just want to drink a Glühwein. It makes you warm. It is very tasty. I love the spices. So it's something else I never thought I could drink. So I hope you don't judge me now because I'm talking too much about alcohol, but the next one I never thought I would try was Eierlikör. Guys, that is a liquor. Let me translate it directly. An egg liquor. The way it looks like eggy and yolky, like egg yolk, and I thought, ooh, who drinks that? Until I tried, and it took me years to try Eierlikör, and you don't need much, you just need a little bit of it, and it is so good, guys. It is really good, but it is just a liquor made from eggs. One day I'll do a recipe of that because my mother-in-law makes really good Eierlikör, and we'll do it together. But I never thought I would try Eierlikör ever. So another staple food that I never thought I would love as much as I do right now is currywurst. So currywurst is a sausage, and then it's in ketchup, and then they put curry powder on top. So when you look at it, you're like, why would you do that to a sausage? A perfectly good sausage. Until you try it, guys. That with fries. So currywurst you'll find everywhere, in every restaurant they'll have a currywurst, during Christmas markets of course, but it is really good, guys. Another thing, guys, is sauerkraut. I know all the staples in Germany, right? So sauerkraut is pickled cabbage. It's like cabbage with pickles, and it has been, a lot has been done to it, but it is a little bit sour. That's why the name sauerkraut. And I looked at it the first day, and it was in a can. Someone opened a can, and I looked at it, and I smelled it, and I was like, why would I eat that? I did not realize it is one of the best things. And with a Kartoffelsalat or with mashed potatoes, it is so good, guys. So it's another thing I never thought I would eat that I now love. This next food item took me years to eat. I think I started enjoying it like 2 years ago, and I've been here for 10 years. And it is pretzel. Guys, it's just bread, and it had salt on it. So the first time I looked at it, I was like, why would I eat bread for breakfast that has salt on it? Why? So I did not understand really, and I did not like it at all. If I had to eat it, if there was nothing else or someone gave it to me, I would eat it, but I wouldn't really enjoy it. I started enjoying a pretzel like 2 or 3 years ago. So it is really good, especially when it's warm and then you eat it with butter. You can just put some butter on top like that. Guys, it's really, really good. So I love pretzels now. I never thought I could eat savory pancakes. Like, I always thought pancakes should be sweet, pancakes should be for breakfast, right? And then you come to Germany and you realize a lot of people here love savory pancakes. That means that pancakes will have cheese, some will have like bacon in it and onions and a lot of savory stuff. And right now I love it. It is actually, I only eat a sweet pancake when I make it myself. When I go out, I want all the things they can put in a pancake. I love it so, so much. So this one will surprise you if you're not from Germany, and that is Mettbrötchen. Mettbrötchen is a kind of a bread roll, and they put raw pork on top of it, and then the raw pork is only spiced with pepper and salt. And then on top of it, they put raw onions. Guys, I looked at it the first time and I was like, why would I eat raw pork? Who does that? I come from Africa, guys, and we do not like raw meat at all. We want our meat totally cooked. Yeah, so I did not imagine eating just a bread roll with raw pork on it and raw onions. But guys, I'm telling you, one time I ate it when I was drunk and it was so good, and from that time I loved it. I think I ate a lot of it that month just to be sure what I'm eating, because it's better than you expect. And I know what people are thinking, that there are a lot of diseases you can get from eating raw meat, but they have a lot of rules and guidelines on how you should rear your pork if it's going to be used for that. So it has become safer and safer to eat a raw pork, but I would definitely say take precaution, eat at your own risk, but it is really good, guys. The last one, guys, cheese. Okay, I used to love cheese, I still love cheese a lot, but there's one particular cheese I never thought I could eat, and it is the smelly, not the goat cheese, the blue smelly cheese. The texture is also weird. It smells like so strongly. So if you don't like cheese, you'll be like, no, I'm not going to have that. Until I tried it with grapes and a glass of wine, and oh my god, it is so good. The taste is so good that you just excuse the smell. You get used to the smell once you know the taste, I'm telling you guys. But that is, you can already tell that I need it right now, right? So that cheese is so good. You just put it on a cracker and maybe sprinkle a little bit of honey on top of it, and you're good to go, guys. So guys, those are the 10 foods that I never thought I would eat in Germany that I really love now. Of course, there's a lot more that I don't like, but it's because I've tried and tried and tried. These ones I never thought I would even try. So guys, I hope you like this video. I hope you have subscribed. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.